everyone. Welcome to another episode of Thoughtful Leaders by Collegedunia. Our esteemed guest for today is Mr. Stalin, Center Head of MAAC, located in Hindusthan College of Arts and Science. Hello, sir. Can you kindly share a few words about yourself?
Vanakkam. Hi, everybody. To introduce myself, my name is Stalin. I'm the Center Head for MAAC Academy of Advanced Cinematics, Collegedunia branch, Coimbatore. I have a bachelor's in computer science engineering from Anna University, Chennai. Out of passion, I chose this media and entertainment sector, and I've been an educator and creator in this field of animation and visual effects for past 12 years now. My experience stretches from a few studios to major animation institutions in India.
That is great to hear, sir. And what is the latest program that you are offering in this institute, which will help students outperform and stand apart from the crowd?
The latest program that we are offering is BVOC in graphic design. BVOC stands for Bachelor's in Vocational Degree. The degree course is offered by Hindusthan College of Arts and Science in association with MAAC. It is a 3-year recognized degree program. It is approved by UGC and also affiliated to Bharatiyar University, Coimbatore. So MAAC will be the industry partner for this program along with the Hindusthan College, and will be providing the technical assistance for the whole program.
Okay, sir. What are the factors that make this program the best for the students to opt?
First of all, it is a recognized degree, as I said. The best part is it will be covering 70% of practicals and 30% of theory. Whereas the other programs will cover most theory and very less practicals. But BVOC, as per UGC norms, it has to be offered by an recognized college with an industry partner, covering 70% of practicals and 30% of theory. So that's the major strength. And it comes with the industry integrated curriculum, which means the students will be learning the latest software and techniques that the recent production houses are using. And also, on successful completion of the degree, the student will get a degree from the Hindusthan College of Arts and Science, and also free add-on certificates from MAAC. So by acquiring the add-on certificates from MAAC, the student will be eligible for 100% placement assistance from MAAC. And the other major advantage or the factor is the state-of-art infrastructure provided by MAAC. It is a well-equipped laboratory with a 60-seater with high-end machines and latest cutting-edge softwares installed. And also, the student can avail a loan facility from the institute, which comes with a 0% interest and 0% processing fees, and he can repay the loan amount in easy EMIs. So I think that those are the major factors.
How does the program ensure that the students are being prepared for the future?
Going forward, there's a huge demand for the students specializing in graphic design and multimedia, with employment opportunities in the field of animation, visual effects, gaming, AR, VR, photography, architecture, medical animation, and so on. The media and entertainment sector in India, it generates 1.2 million jobs. So it is expected to add another 7 to 8 lakh jobs in next 5 years. So it is expected that India will have to meet that demand. So keeping this in mind, it requires a skill-based training. So that is where this BVOC comes in. So BVOC provides skill-based training for the students, whereas the students once completes the degree program, he comes out with some industry standard. When he comes out, he will not be considered as a fresher, but he will be considered as an industry professional. With this BVOC certificate, the student can apply for any private or government sector, because this is a recognized degree program.
That's great, sir. How do you train yourself or the faculties to deliver this program to the students?
The faculties are highly experienced in the field of animation VFX with both industry and education background, and they update themselves in a regular basis. They also get highly intensive training from the a MAAC training sector based in Mumbai. So they'll be getting training on the latest softwares or the latest technique introduced in the production houses, and also they get trained how to find the specialized skill in students and fine tune them and make them perfect in the portfolios that they develop.
What are the types of projects that the students will be working through this program?
Well, the students will be working on various projects based on their interest and skill level. For example, a photography interest candidate will be working on street photography or product photography kind of projects. The animators will be working on animation movies, and the VFX artist will be working on VFX related short films. While studying this BWOC, the students are exposed to various industry events by MAAC and also Hindusthan. MAAC takes pride in giving 24 FPS, which is a international animation awards. So the students will be working for that particular industry events. In that case, the student will come to know how a production house works, how to make a movie in a short time, along with the team. So when he finishes the course, he'll be industry ready with an industry ready portfolio. And also MAAC offers events like MCL, which is MAAC Creative League, and also 100 hours where the students will have to create a short film or VFX short film in less than 100 hours. So in that case, they are fine-tuned and their skills are enhanced quickly.
What are the career options after pursuing this course?
Well, the employment opportunities are huge. For example, there are huge opportunities in the film, television, gaming, medical animation, VFX, IT, photography, and architecture. And the student will be placed as a graphic designer, web designer, 2D artist, layout artist, paint artist, surface artist, and animator, rigging artist, and so on and on and on. So it is a huge industry. Everything is digitized now. So a student will be placed anyways in any stream.
Okay, sir, that was great talking to you. And thank you so much for sharing your thoughts with us. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.